Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Child Health Nursing question paper for BSc Nursing third year students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year November 2017. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. The question paper code is 342 BSc Nursing Degree Examination November 2017 third year examination for 4YDC program Child Health Nursing new scheme. The time allotted is 3 hours and the maximum marks is 75 marks. Answer the following questions. Write an essay on any two of the following. So 2 into 15 is equal to 30 marks. 1A, define growth and development. 1B, explain the factors influencing growth and development. 1C, discuss the growth and development of infant. 1A, define growth and development, which is for 2 marks. 1B, explain the factors influencing growth and development, which is for 5 marks. 1C, discuss the growth and development of infant, which is for 8 marks. 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 15 marks. Second question. A 8-year boy is admitted in the pediatric ward with the diagnosis of rheumatic fever. A 8-year boy is admitted in the pediatric ward with the diagnosis of rheumatic fever. 2A, define rheumatic fever, which is for 2 marks. 2B, list the clinical features based on Jones criteria. 2B, list the clinical features based on Jones criteria, which is for 5 marks. 2C, explain the medical and nursing management of rheumatic fever. Explain the medical and nursing management of rheumatic fever. 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 15. Third question, 3A, define neonatal jaundice. 3A is define neonatal jaundice. 3B, explain the classification of neonatal jaundice. 3B, explain the classification of neonatal jaundice. 3C, discuss the management of child with jaundice. 3C, discuss the management of child with jaundice. So 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 15 marks. Next is moving on to short notes. Write short notes on any 5 of the following. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. They will be giving 7 5 marks. Out of those 7 5 marks, you have to answer any 5. Fourth question, causes and management of acute respiratory distress syndrome. Fourth question is causes and management of acute respiratory distress syndrome. Fifth question, the therapeutic value of play in children. Fifth question, the therapeutic value of play in children. Sixth question, post-operative care of baby with cleft lip repair. Sixth question, post-operative care of baby with cleft lip repair. Seventh question, care of child with colostomy. Seventh question, care of child with colostomy. Eighth question, leukemia. Eighth question, leukemia. Ninth question, deficiency disorders of vitamin A. Ninth question, deficiency disorders of vitamin A. 10th question, organization of neonatal intensive care unit. 10th question, organizational for neonatal intensive care unit. Next, moving on to brief answers. So here in brief answers, which is 2 marks questions, they will be giving 10 2 marks questions. You have to answer all the 10 questions. There will not be any choice for this session. 11th question, types of club foot. 11th question, types of club foot. 12th question, define otitis media. 12th question, define otitis media. 13th question, list the advantages of breastfeeding. 13th question, list the advantages of breastfeeding. 14th question, mention the defects of tetralogy of Fallot. Mention the defects of tetralogy of Fallot. 15th question, define oral rehydration solution. 15th question, define oral rehydration solution. 16th question, define BCG vaccine. 16th question, define BCG vaccine. 17th question, enumerate the first aid for dog bite. Enumerate the first aid for dog bite. 18th question, clinical features of measles. Clinical features of measles. 19th question, enlist the uses of restraints. 19th question, enlist the uses of restraints. 20th question, define child abuse. 20th question, define child abuse. We have posted many question paper related videos in our channel playlist. You can watch our channel playlist BSc Nursing question paper for more question paper related videos. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you want answer key for this, please post it in comment section so that we will post in the near future the answer key for these questions. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link, as I have told earlier, I have given in the end card, suggested iCards and in the description box. You can watch it. Thank you friends.